It's Monday night. Wade and I have had a very busy day. I'm gonna whip up a marinade for some bacon wrapped steaks, and we have some corn that we're gonna smoke, and we're also gonna smoke some bacon wrapped jalapeno cream cheese poppers. So I'm gonna start with the marinade. A 1/4 cup olive oil, a 1/3 cup balsamic vinegar. Then we're gonna do a tablespoon of honey, a little bit of soy sauce, some Italian seasonings, and then I'm gonna do a little bit of Worcestershire sauce. And then pour it over our bacon wrap fillets. Just give it a good shake. Okay, now our steaks are in the marinade, and I'm gonna go put them in the refrigerator. And then I'm gonna get the bacon wrapped jalapeno cream cheese poppers ready, and our corn. We're gonna put those in the smoker as well. We're gonna do the corn first. I'm gonna drizzle a little bit of olive oil. Usually I'll wrap the corn in bacon, but I found this candy bacon spice, which is really, really good, and it's easy to do. Rub the olive oil in and give it a good rub on the corn. So I got my Bradley smoker at 250 degrees. I'm gonna put our corn in for about an hour, hour and a half. And here we go, just put it in there. I'm gonna get the jalapeno cream cheese poppers ready to go now. Corn, the poppers, and the steak are all on the same time, so it works out pretty perfect. I got my bacon wrap fillets out. They're done marinating, and I'm gonna put them on the rack, season them a little bit, put them in the smoker, and let them smoke with the jalapeno poppers and the corn. I got the steaks good and ready. However, I'm gonna just season them a little bit. My Cajun seasoning is my favorite. Then my steak seasoning, and flip it over. And then I'm gonna season that a little bit too. Cajun seasoning and the steak seasoning. The steaks are done, the jalapenos are done, the corn's done. Yay, it's time to eat.